No freaking way. No freaking way. That is awesome. No way. My first rabbit. No kidding. Something crazy just happened. I'm out here scouting for ducks and trying to see if I can shoot some doves and some quail maybe. It's missing really hard right now. I've seen 3 deer. I saw a bunch of hog sign. Sorry if my camera is shaking a little bit. I'm shaking. I'm so excited right now. And then I was just scouting up here by this tree because it looked like there was an old hog trap or something. I'm on public land right now. So I went up there, then when I was walking out, I scared a rabbit that was like 5 feet away from me. So I didn't have time to turn on the GoPro when I initially saw him. He was so fast, so I just had to get on my gun and shoot. But I finally shot my first rabbit. I can't believe it. It's awesome. That's all. I can't believe I just shot a rabbit, especially like where I'm at right now. It makes sense now that I think about it, but like I didn't even see him. That was awesome. Florida public land, bunny down, baby. Public land rabbit though, that's pretty cool. I'm so stoked right now. I could go home happy right now. That is awesome. Oh, thank you, Lord.
12 seconds later.
Good morning, everybody. I got the windshield wipers dusting the frost off my windshield. It is really cool this morning. Woke up a little late, but I'm okay with that because today we're going squirrel hunting. Deer season's over, duck season's over, so just hunting some squirrels now. Gonna see if we can get some with the old 22. Hopefully some more coming. It's fun. Hunting squirrels with 22s. It's fun. Oh, I think I hear another one. That one took 3 shots. That was a tough little squirrel right there. I know there's another one with it somewhere. I saw it. I don't know where it went. I hear another one right there though. keep going.